Welcome to this video on revolver parts identification from a forensic science perspective. A revolver is a firearm featuring a rotating cylinder with multiple chambers. Understanding its parts is essential for effective forensic analysis and identification. The barrel guides the bullet, exiting at the muzzle. Forensically, we analyze rifling marks left on the bullet and look for gunshot residue, or GSR, around the muzzle. The cylinder holds the cartridges, while the frame is the main body of the revolver. Forensic analysis focuses on chamber marks and their role in weapon identification. The trigger initiates firing, protected by the trigger guard. The hammer strikes the firing pin. Analyzing this mechanism helps determine the precise firing action. The grip is the handle, often covered by grip panels held in place by screws. These components are vital for collecting forensic evidence, such as fingerprints and DNA. Additional parts include the cylinder release, which opens the cylinder, and the trigger tip, the lower part of the trigger. These are critical mechanical control points for operational analysis. Identifying these parts has significant forensic importance. It enables weapon identification, ballistic linkage, trace evidence gathering, and crime scene reconstruction. In conclusion, a thorough understanding of revolver parts is crucial for forensic experts to successfully solve firearm-related crimes.